Omaya team. Obia did me ya and no. I didn't answer. What is the meaning of Asante Defense Force? What is the meaning? Maybe Asante, and I will not even support Otumfuo. I will never support this. Maybe no. I will never support it. Maybe we have Ghana Army.
Make us say a year air consumption, a year something human dotty, you know. Make us say you be your quasi be. Edna could chat next week. I am no crack if you say Bobbie Ansah. Or one castle will pick a form, so said no matter. I love this will be more better. Penyah, solid. And he has a Bobbie Ansah. Oh, me pick a form, send next week. Move me. I was a Bobbie Ansah. Over the year at term opens one and casa. Hey, anybody move him, bow. Hey, anybody move him, Bobbie Ansah. I cannot judge you if I want to spare. Sabi, turn one casa. Cannot jump actually. A nyasi mukuma. Me want to no actually why amame. Ewa comment section. I Penyah block me. The mess was any demo. Obe like video no that my subscribe button. Snap back click notification and for latest update. Na better why you amame. Ewa comment section. Mess was so bad so no share video for so enya bi ahwe. 83 Sunday na ebesi enroy dia na. Asante nyina ye fra tuntumi ani abre pa ase krodom. Ani nan se na ye hema edampem. Asem not ye no ana ekokoso ama enro ano. Ya di dwuma de nyina pompon so no ekwo hya sma de kwa awie ya ise rega se de akosie ni kra ya kata ji kwa na say program no ekoso nema bebe na ekoso activities bebe na ekoso ewo mu o say ayi open na baye you know ayi akwa kwa bota atokwa amena o ayi igbo man oba me apamon. He came to test the waters ni unified. What is here? I said, Nana Otumfuo Cham, Nana Kanten Crunchy. Oh no, yes, I just what boy you oh yeah, oh God, yeah, oh boy, now I never be none a course. Now, Ibo my buy ya pamuni, and one who is a Nana Kwaku Duah this war. Kwaku Duah, ever my pamon, now Kwaku Duah pamono. Now a and Kwaku from Asante Defense Force. I know money actually money avosa. That's it. I'm Asante Defense Force no. Omangasa tire omudwuma di ankasa.
Profuo bi. MSI atwere avosa. Mema kentin kafo pa. Miminim dwuma omudie. Enti meba premu na tese. Mebuso omudwuma potia omudie e wa ase. Never try me walk by the Abba Shiny Christians. Your friend Manhyia now say.
I am from Ibrahim Mohammed. But I didn't Pablo Escobar. Bro, me patch on me a wine. You can't say Avosa me a wine. Avosa Ashanti Volunteer Security Association. Security yatu ya nwasi ose ye sum yura Asante mine ye sum yura oti kokoso se Asante memu enoma bi eye aprapra de bi e wo fom bia no ye beboa amanatu ase
enti uchire mu na mo Manhyia ho ban ana asase
sa ye mo Manhyia ho ban
ani se kamia se mo ne other security personnel for na ya pe wa na mo nko na mo so mo
o da bi yo soldier ewo yo police ho na omina obi a woni djuma odie enti mo safo no yenso ye djuma ayedi mo djuma mo die se mo ba bo kotoko fie no ho ban ko djuma die bia obedi no ho eye ya Asante asase su bia no avosafo ye na yo na pay force yenim so yesa abusa ana de be pote na ekoso e okotoko fie ade ene sorry ya yi kese ade ato ye ni ya bere wati ya okwa kura oko ankra ye iti ye ni atatai ade kese ba na ato ye ni di obeyi ama ye It's an sorry so I used to I better what you used
na mu ka bibi se eye da ya wada na etwa to no se ye de ma me ekoban mu a eni kwan se ye hia obi a anajo asam be na wo kafa ho
and also send your mamre ne amane kwan so tie no sabi yes e be to ye no no na sanso na mamre tie enti na ye bode ro a kire obi a ayi obi a so tre se e da ya wada na de ye be sere sa anajo ne de omo fanche no bia enantem na ekuro mo nda ho na ye fa ya brewati anko no konkoda su ai
ya sempa abusuanti eno na chese afosa panyi pa ye Escobar right e de atudwane nsam ne de bebrebe ho samre kotoko yenim se nani atutu aka ne nsam asem bai na beka kire opem so
ya ma yeru ashade Yamane yakoye, yes, Yamane shedding because I did a ton and you know, Sabi, ye Ukrana,
na Asante Defense Force, you na Omo Pamo, Kwaku Duah no. And no, Anna Bobbie Ansah on Tiasie. Say Argentina, Ghana no, your security agencies, Hanomo. Na Omo he, Otumfuo ha just Otumfuo so near maybe so say or no kwa ne territory now a form on non defense force any other. Bobbie say on Tiasie, eti Bobbie abebo bonadwen ewusa enyase bukuma.
Say almost started a year me hunu a year Mamprusi Defense Forces. Nana a me say because say sebe yenuanum afani afa menteme ho aseni ntino ena manka ho asem when we say ene emrante bi ahihye military camo eya almost from Asante Defense Forces na de ayeme yani almost Prophet Oduro aka asem bi afa eye yewura kotokohene Otumfuo ho na eye no okochi aye no ena yes Defense Forces for no etu agunu so se omobebo no ahyene ka na oni kwame de yeme ya wa asem we mu pa eye entafo na omo no ehye eye amonate Asante your friend say Defense Forces entafo no omo no ni abre ewo Asante mem wan ade na esi no wan ade na esi no into Defense Forces since when ena say obi eka asem efa pani bi ho a endu ka say sabio Prophet Oduro baby a waye adwuma aduri me support ne nsensem na ya na okeka no me Prophet Oduro no me support ne nsem na ya na okeka no but there is no way a mesia Prophet Oduro a me ya santini ntino then I will start throwing stones at him say ne ene me de sika betwitwaw na me bibia ha me say enye asantefo na yesa o eye ntafo a wo mti kumase eya wo no ya asantefo chen ye ene ya hye wo ntare ene wo mu jimi eye ntafo a wo no ti kumase a wo ni asante amamre ni amane ni bibia ye na ene me ka kire me yonko bi wo Facebook santafo nkoda we ya omo atimenhie yesa no wo kire bi wo na se okase ne ba edi ade a na afa edi amuani abre afa na mo ko kire na se ko ayimfie the same thing ana omo sesa entafo nkola ade omo ko the same thing oko aye akuapma kropon a ayi miamenua aba sarki ya bono ayi se nkoso yin o sede ayi wa kire bi na se aba sarki ni ho no atra akuapem awo na ne ba esore se odi ade pe oside bi Felix Kwame Jamra say we Jimmy Abodam. We Jimmy Abodam. Omo Kumase no ye ni wo mo. Sedu nya madamfo. Sedu ofri Asante Mampong. Na na gas omo wo video no me ni mo ana. Ya ti Kumase o. Boys ni nyina ye ni mo nyina. Sedu ye madamfo. Sedu no ye madamfo. Sedu da be no be frɛ fijase. Da ben na say do be free afijase da ben wo ye adwusuni ana wo ye ayi ye friend say mamponi ana so wo ye agorani ana so ye jamase ni na ye ka enka okofi oduro no nya kani enche say dunum media hwe ade na esinu a obi ade na ni hwe din no I hope say another tribe also akokote your friend say another tribe also kote omo forces are. I hope say obia beka na no atum. Edibo dia Montreal na monhwe na monye din na obia enhye soja atare mfa mra ne nhye ne nsem na ono no nya de ope. Montreal omaya tim obia didi me ya eno ano no adwene na sa ungu so be pre-propose a eya de oni na busa say de oni na busuafo be sesa o na ya jimia say yenim say no matter how a obe gada sika eni ajapade through politics no one day asemi be si a woni wa busuafo be nepa finance minister oh ni gold dia ndie masa entimo de say ye ka nasa bosu muntia me se me ka kira me boss edudi Felix Kwame Jamna wa Jimmy Dodo me boss edudi na obusa me se mention one na da se edu no yesi me suro no me ka se edu ase won se mention one boys a wo mu wo ni nyina hwan e no so ya Asanteni wom do I no so ya Asanteni wom na Asanteni be ne betimi akonzongo so enzongo ahimfie akodi sa emrantu asem no omu wia na nkrofo didi asantefo atem omu didi atem a na se edunum na akwa tete enti Asante Defense Force na so idini na gu akire o na omu a omu se atare num no anya asantefo omu wia na omu ankrofo ase atwa omu ase didi asantefo atem enso eye se dunum a efrinura maka adewei makasa na se other tribe bi ekote Defense Force mu obi anya din me say ma site man proceed Defense Force enura ye hunu Asante Defense Force. We should be careful. We should be very, very, very careful. Someone disbanded. Kwame, says Ghana him for a 2 war more him for you. You have no clue. Guns, arms, weapons, what Ghana are him for him for you know. A man for Nima de Crow. Ada abusia ba ko de be bani no ada abusia ba ko de be bani no ada na sembeba ada no trouble beba say ya na Rwanda no ehya o unim say hate issues are hate intimi control nyina no armed groups wo matete armed groups and a weapons are conquer for them and I just say agito say what is the meaning of Asante Defense Force? What is the meaning? Maybe Asanteni, and I will not even support Otumfuo. Now I'm just sure say Otumfuo, or you are aware of this. Now so you are aware, I will never support this. Maybe so. No. I will never support it. We have Ghana Army. We have Ghana Police Service. We have entity tell you Yonu. Asampani. Jakan kure enfino azure numune nam kubas wine ni mazure ni made omoye. Enfino. Sasa kwabna yi doma fo frimu enya doma fo na domo bae me sa niema no me time. What I say, so I don't want to engage myself. I don't want to engage myself in niema time. Said ne ye dwene hawa or amount penny for omo dwene hawa ye besi akoya nimu na obi ti ba bi ne ni abre na na sikadwa na ye werde ye ne de ye werde yo ya werde yo ene nkola aba obi di sikadwa asamo ye de yanti ye werde ye so what ya werde yo so what ye werde yo ya werde yo and so what? And in all, no, you will see that Otumfuo is very quiet, calm, and everything. And I like it. Yeah. Yes, sir. But don't come and tell me, say you are Asante Defense Force, sir. Who still person the country a domahine? It's not right. Mama mi anya sa o sese. Na da ye nyina beji boom no. Obia ni baby afa. Ada ye beji boom e wo kroma no. Obia ni baby afa. Ntimo dia momya ye nkoso saa. Enya hwe. Why? Ye nkoso. India say nkranfo ba bete nkran Defense Force. Na Asante Defense Force. Fanti Confederacy. Na eve fuate. Na oti fuate. Hey. Yo. Wonyere mo why? Wonyere mo. Onkoso. Nyashe.
Bobbie na no see ya ene anti Ashantes for omo anwo de mo no Asante bibia ni omo fed Asante bibia yo mo tan omo so aba support Bobbie Ansah.
Ghana for me Chiacham, Ghanaians, I greet you. This message goes to His Excellency and to our security services in Ghana. Your Excellency, with deep concern and urgency about a development that, if left unchecked, will consume our nation like fire. Every day circulating on social media show Evelyn-built men wearing khaki uniform with the words Asante Defense Force printed on their backs. The only defense force high and the law recognized in this country are the armed forces and the constitutional mandated security services. If we stay silent while such group parade publicly, what will stop other regions from forming their own so-called defense forces? The result will be fragmentation, confusion, and the breakdown of national honor. Because of this trend, it has become increasingly difficult to distinguish between our legitimate military and these so-called bodyguards. Our security services cannot and must not sit unconcerned while this indiscipline continue to destabilize our country. Take action before it is too late. Today, chiefs, celebrities, pastors, imams, artists, and wealthy individuals commonly travel with a private security person, dressed in a military style or khaki uniform. This practice undermines the authority of the state, blur the line between the lawful protection and unofficial militias, encourage lawlessness. Kwame Nkrumah's vision for a disciplined and united Ghana is being eroded by this culture of impunity. Your Excellency, I respectfully but firmly urge you to publicly reaffirm that the Ghana Armed Forces and constitutional established security agencies are the only legitimate defense institution in Ghana. Order an immediate investigation into the groups and individual parading as regional defense forces and direct security agencies to dismantle any unauthorized armed formation. Direct the ministries of the Interior, the Ghana Police Service, and the Ghana Armed Forces to enforce existing law regarding uniform, arms, private security, so that private security personnel do not impersonate or wear the uniform of the state security services. Launch a public awareness campaign, reminded chiefs, public figures, and wealthy individuals of the legal limit of private securities and the dangers of militarized discipline that confuses citizens and threatens national unity. If decisive action is not taken now, the seed of division and harm confusion will grow into an uncontainable fire that will harm every Ghanaian, north, south, east, and west. For the peace, unity, and security of Ghana, I respectfully ask that you act swiftly and decisively. Ghana for the church, Ghana for. You see, Nyama bia koso Ghana. Ama sesia, Buba Ghana sesia, Kwame Nkrumah Ghana, the most disciplined country in the world, the most peaceful country in the world. Sesia is turning to become something else. The indiscipline in our system is too much. In the se unam krom untumi differentiating between military officer and bodyguard. The imams, the pastors, the celebrities, the chiefs, the wealthy men in the society. Sekafuo. San Crawford way. Oma for bodyguard, omo dress it is a soldier. Any event we call obi akitani bodyguards, ebi mukra kita pump action. Why? Recently we have video, which is I think today. We have video. Wakumase yachira was securities ni omo atare chi say Asante Defense Force. You better remember say there another defense force for Ghana there, and they minimum because me bisa. Me a me ti hano sarkiyaki. Only the defense force are me minimum a Ghana Armed Forces. They are the defense force of this country. Apart from them, there need any defense force in this country. Inti sa defense force is illegal defense force and is dangerous. My Ghana. In the Asante are forming defense force publicly. How many soldiers in a hall? How many police in a hall? You can never differentiate the difference. In there, now another Oheneso are forming the defense force. Obia defense force. What are we breeding? Dear Ghana future. Meaning Ghana future. Our crossroad. Say yen stress our name away, yen see amo. Say etra, yen na adia fair. I'm telling you. You see, Ghana says here indiscipline a dozen. Says here only nama, ubeon imam, ubeon ohini, ubeon celebrity, ubeon a friend say osikeni or when a bodyguard was dressed as a soldier. Sometimes some cry about say a soldier and guided those people. Why? This is indiscipline to the highest order. Ghana, your population your population, a Lagos population. I'm telling you, say I'm on China crowd. You endorse almost 30-something million population. Shanema, yeah. You can say destabilizing your mind, Ghana. Obia Soria, what the 2 men Ashen and Sam, a dear ope and no yet. Look at the indiscipline in the system. Ghana did say, Ghana did say, Amanoni, all over the world. Offer Ghana a racist country. Why? Sandema we and say, Your Excellency, and so on shred, no on siano, na entra. Your Excellency, where dear Mr. And ma, Utan, as the president of the land, that you call, Rebecca said, under your leadership, Ghana has say Ghana a done indisciplined country. Your Excellency, because you know idea of it tonight. You know idea of it tonight. Meaning say, oh, your president, patapa president. We are peaceful president. We are president. What mama umay. We are president. What base uba soon on my Ghana. Into Your Excellency, a mau legacy. Echina ukwa yenkase good time na indiscipline does work on dabi yempese yentisa asem to Your Excellency yesrewo yeah me ameti ha ma bravo asemefie mi womba enti me ameti ama home de yentre ba no omo na me suma omo Your Excellency, unananum memba me daati me nananum omunti na ya ye hu ade a ye ka na ma Ghana NCA Ghana baby a ye wono na ye nsambra ho back because see baby a ho titi no ye ni ho biom ya free ho ye pese ye say Ghana with politics say yen sisa ade we a obi kura betume sorry or betume form ne malicious in quiet obi anim all over the region e betume happen nti mayem fa nema bi ndi agro say nyesa Ghana ade aye fe enye yede nti Ghana for where there me hu a meka say me hu a menka me mba so be kan tro me ka with evidence, with proof. Adia maono eno na meka. Enti Ghana for me damase nyame nhira.
Na we say we say Bobbie Ansah kan ni there. Oh, minimum crop minimum pa. Oh, minimum. Say media so master. Oh, minimum. Ko we say they are kin aneke. He. Kin aneke. Basically me about be reply. The reason sure they say about be reply. What I said, what I want try part 2 beba. Call response e beba. Bobbie Ansah or better stay waters. In fact, we're booking for next week. Na the WhatsApp no ebeba kire wajo ba be e comment section aha yi Penyah Block Media akra